Who can you trust? 3 possible fatal mistakes that can cost you your firm or business. Back in May of 2023, I attended the Managing Partner Forum for Small and Boutique Firms. While there, I was talking with the Managing Partner of a law firm, who had indicated that his emails had been down for 24 hours while he'd been at the conference. He was clearly not amused by the situation and said he was going to have some stern words to say to his IT company once he got back from the conference. In digging a little deeper with some questions, I found out that the cause was that the IT company had not transferred one of the firm's domain names across when they took over the firm's IT. Now, this may not seem like a very big mistake, but this can be potentially catastrophic for you. The managing partner also mentioned that it had been some time since they had switched IT companies. Would it be outrageous of me to ask what would happen if you're in the middle of working on a very important matter for a VIP client and you couldn't respond in a timely fashion because of something like this? And how would this affect your income and the firm's income? Now, not long after this, I was doing some market research on a lead that we had obtained from a conference back in 2019. In doing this market research, I stumbled upon another big mistake that could have drastic negative effects to the firm in question. Now, in this case, the law firm's domain name was registered to or owned by an IT company, possibly their current one, rather than the firm itself. Now, while your IT company needs to have some level of control over the domain name, they should never be registering your intellectual property under their company name. In effect, they own the domain name, and should you ever get into a dispute with them, they can hold you to ransom. Personally, having tried to recover a domain name that I didn't think someone else should own, it cost me a lot of lost time, stress, anxiety that I didn't need nor could I afford. I had to engage a law firm to write letters on my behalf, send them to the party that owned the domain name, and I still got nowhere. Yes, you could register a new domain name, however, then you have to communicate it to your clients, and then you also have to hope they don't think it's a scam. All of this costs you time and money, not to mention the associated soft costs of stress and anxiety that you don't need, nor can you afford. In an unrelated example, earlier this year, the Illinois Supreme Court ruled that fast food chain White Castle violated the state's Biometric Information Privacy Act by requiring employees to log into company systems using their fingerprints without their consent. One employee took issue, lawyered up, and is now leading a class action lawsuit that is estimated may cost the company US $17 billion. Now, I don't know all the details, but my guess is that some well-meaning IT company or person sold the executive team into using this technology as a way to lower costs, increase efficiency, and improve security. Someone trusted them to know what they were doing and the recommendations they'd made, and now they're facing a complete and total disaster. In business and all throughout our lives, we have to make decisions about who we can trust and who we follow. Pick the wrong person and they can impart serious harm. That is why you must have litmus tests in place to determine who you can trust that will reveal the confidence and character of the person you're about to put faith into. Far too many people have misplaced their trust in people or companies based on frivolous, emotional, or irrational reasons versus competence and track record. Most people do not take the time to carefully investigate the person they're about to trust with critical aspects of their business, finances, and lives. Would it be ridiculous of me to ask how not investigating an IT company that has the potential for so much impact on your firm or business and the income it provides for you and your family is a good idea? My Infotech partner is a trusted IT services and IT support provider that specialises in helping the equity principals, partners, directors and practice managers of legal, accounting and financial services firms from making big expensive mistakes with technology and ultimately protect their livelihood. Naturally, we're the only ones that offer you enhanced peace of mind with our never pay the ransom $10,000 money back guarantee. To learn more on how to avoid making big expensive mistakes like the ones that have been mentioned in this video, go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/legacy or scan the QR code on the screen and sign up for a gift ebook copy of my book titled Protect Your Legacy: How to Confidently Protect You and Your Firm from the fines, lawsuits, customer loss, ruined reputation and PR nightmare resulting from a data breach and cybercrime. Once on the page, just enter your first name, last name, email address and press the submit button. Don't delay, this is only available for a limited time. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day. If you happen to get some value from this video, drop me a comment below.